Hi, this is Alex from Beech Garage. We're delighted to be able to offer for sale on behalf of a long-standing customer this absolutely stunning Triumph Dolomite Sprint. It's an extremely late car, registered on a W plate, which makes it 81 I think. As you can see, the car is in remarkable condition. Finished in Inca Yellow. I can't emphasise enough how nice this car is. We've known it for quite a long time. Always been one of my particular favourites. All the usual grot spots on Dolomite are all extremely sound. Going through the history file, it looks like the car was completely restored in about 2012. Looks like it had a replacement shell. The original shell was in really good condition anyway, but there's lots and lots of photos on file showing the extent that the restorer went to get the car in the condition that it is now. Current owner spent an absolute fortune on it. It's not that long ago had an engine refresh. The alloy wheels have also been refurbished. Just going to show you in the wheel arches. Hopefully you'll be able to see. Still got fresh paint in there. And on the rear too. So from previous ownership experience, I know they can be quite untidy around those kinds of areas. Also show you the top of the rear seat, because these tend to suffer. Is all good, as is all of the trim. Remarkable, being black, it's not faded too badly. Obviously car fitted with overdrive. It's showing 20,000 miles, but I'm guessing that's probably from when the restoration was completed. Again, bottoms of the pillars can be quite untidy. This is all good, doors are all good. Under the bonnet is lovely. Again, same standard as the rest of the car. Engine's clearly been refinished as well, all to an extremely high standard. Car is fitted with a stainless steel exhaust, and it's also not long had an aluminium fuel tank as well. Lots and lots of history with the car, all the way back to when it was first registered. There is a heritage certificate with the car as well. Overall, a stunning example. You're unlikely, I think, to find a better one for sale at the moment. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beech Garage. Thanks.